Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to send a signature request using the BoldSign Python SDK. If you're new to BoldSign, please check out our Getting Started videos in the description below. The first thing I need to do is install the BoldSign SDK in my Python environment. So I open my project, launch the terminal, I'm using Visual Studio's code here, and then I head over to the BoldSign developer documentation. There I copy the installation command and paste it right into my terminal. Once I run it, the SDK installs the latest stable version by default. If I ever want a specific version, I can just specify that in the command. To make sure everything installed correctly, I run pip show BoldSign. And that gives me the version, location, and dependencies. Now that the SDK is ready, it's time to create the actual signature request. I head back to the documentation and copy the sample Python code for sending a document. I paste that into a new Python file in my project. Next, I set up the API client by adding my API key. If you don't have one yet, you can create it in your BoldSign dashboard. Just go to the API section and generate a key. Now with the document client object, you can send the document for signing. I add a signature form field and adjust its position on the page so it's exactly where I want it. Then configure the signer details, like name and email address. Once everything looks good, I set the title of the document. In this case, I'm using non-disclosure agreement. I then set the document file path, run the script, and the document is sent out for signature. Now let's jump into the BoldSign web app to make sure the document was created successfully. I go to the Documents section, select My Documents, and click on the Waiting for Others tab. There it is, the NDA I just sent. When I open it, I can see the document ID, status, and signer details. Everything looks good. The document is now waiting for the signer to take action. Next, I'll switch to the signer's side and walk through the signing process. I've received an email asking me to sign the document. I click Review and Sign and go to the document signing page, where I first accept the terms and conditions. Then I click Start Signing button. I fill in the required form field and click Finish to complete the signing process. As you can see, I have now received a copy of the completed document and its audit trail document via email. First, I open the completed document, which includes the signature. Then I open the audit trail document. It provides a detailed log of all activities, with timestamps and the actions taken by the signer. And that's it. You've just seen how easy it is to send a document for signature using the BoldSign Python SDK. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorial videos.